Hey everyone, Kevin here with Victory 4x4. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick installation of these door interior MOLLE panels on our 2022 Toyota Tundra. Now this should be a pretty quick and easy install. Obviously you can see here I have the MOLLE panel. That's going to install down here in this cutout in the bottom of the door panel near these cup holders. Basically what you're going to do is slide it in here. Essentially you're just centering it around this cutout, making sure you have a nice even gap to all of these seams or creases. Once you're happy with that placement, you can either take like a silver Sharpie, or I just have this sharp prick point punch. You're going to want to kind of hold this as steady as possible, and then centered in each of these locations, just go ahead and give that some pressure and make a mark. Now once you have those marked, you kind of have a couple options. If you're using a sharp punch like I have here and the diameter is small enough, you can kind of take one of those marks and just work that into the plastic, giving it a little pressure, and that should give you enough of a pilot that the coarse thread screws that we provide are going to kind of bite and pull themselves in. The other option is to take a real small drill bit. This one here I have, I believe, is a 1/16 inch drill. And you can just very lightly, making sure not to drill too deep into the actual sheet metal of the door behind this panel or anything. You can just very lightly kind of start that and make a pilot hole for that screw. Once you have all those little pilot holes in place, you can then take one of those coarse thread screws. You'll basically pass it through the panel like that, and then one of the black nylon spacers provided can go in behind it. Then just take your screwdriver to kind of hold that in place and just start this entire assembly to hold the panel. Then while you have that still kind of loose, just holding the panel in place, you can kind of fish your next spacer in behind here. Just put some pressure against the panel to hold it, and then insert the next screw. Then just do the same thing on the remaining two screw holes down here at the bottom. Then once you have all four loosely in place, go ahead and take your Phillips screwdriver and carefully tighten them up. So you can follow that same process whether it be front or rear doors, driver or passenger side, and that's all there is to getting these installed. Now if you have any questions about this installation or any other Victory 4x4 product, you can always reach out to us. You can email us at info@victory4x4.com, or just give us a call at 269-459-8447.